How to turn on email promotions notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on email promotions notifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and here you will find profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and privacy, and then click push notifications. Scroll down until you find email notifications. Click on it, and here we'll find promotions, and now all you need to do is just turn it on. And as you see here, promotions have been turned on. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.